Welcome to Your Guide Outside, and thanks for joining us. This is going to be the final couple days of Cecilia and I's elk hunting trip to Colorado. We've got our elk yesterday, and if you haven't seen any of those videos, I'll put a link to the playlist right up here in the corner, and go ahead and check that out. Today we're going to do a little more scouting. We're going to process the elk and get it all on ice, and we're going to do some fishing. And then we're going to spend another day scouting and fishing, and then head home. So here we go. This is a burn area from 2018 that I went and decided to do a little scouting on the way out. So we spent about a half a day scouting this area.
Holy crap, here comes like a tornado through here. Hear it? It's dropping timber. I'll try to get down this meadow. I think it's died out. Yikes, just come whipping up that valley, I guess. Comes a little more. I better get out of this trees. All right, that wind has quit just as quickly as it started. I'm down at this meadow. just gonna walk it. He'll take me out to the road. I caught one, and he hung me up on that little bush right in front of Cecilia that she's trying to stay away from. And when he got me caught on it, he just spit it out. Oh, that's a good one. We're just letting it drift right across, trying to get underneath this tree, that bush down there. Cecilia was not going to give up on this fish, and I finally had to drag her away, but in the end the fish won. Cut. Oh, that was a good one. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button down there in the right-hand corner. And if you are, thank you. Hey, if you missed any of our elk hunting videos, check out the link to our playlist for the elk hunts. And also I'm going to put a playlist for the antelope hunts that we do up here. And then there's a couple other videos here that we think you might like. Check them out. And until next time, get out there and do something.